Hi guys, this is Shashank here. So we'll be discussing about Nifty and Bank Nifty and a couple of stocks which you can trade over the week. So Nifty had a big fall today in the beginning. So we saw some recovery in the end. So Nifty has started making higher highs, so which is a very good sign for all who are looking on bullish trades. So on Monday, you can start planning your trades above this level. So if the market has sustaining and started making higher highs, you can take up bullish trades. So as of now, I think Nifty, as I said yesterday, we had a little bit of bearishness in the market. So which happened in the day's beginning. So this was Nifty in the day beginning, and now the market has shown some recovery in the end of the day. So we can expect some bullishness on Monday as well, if the global cues are supporting us. So this will be how you're going to plan your trades in Nifty for Monday. So anything above 17,330 levels, if we get a green candle closing in 15-minute time frame, you can plan your bullish trades in Nifty. So next we'll come to 1 day time frame in Nifty. So 1 day time frame, if anyone is looking to make a positional trade in Nifty, we need a daily time frame candle closing above 432 levels in order to become completely bullish on the market. So which will be like breaking the previous high, and if we get a closing above that, we'll become bullish and we can start creating positional trades in Nifty. So this is Nifty in daily time frame. We'll move on to Bank Nifty as well. We'll plan our trades in Bank Nifty as well on intraday time frame first. So Bank Nifty has shown a lot more strength than Nifty when compared. So we had a little bit of bearishness in the beginning of the day, but in the end it recovered. We had a W pattern too. The neckline was broken, and we got a good trade here in Bank Nifty as of today. So you will be planning your trades in Bank Nifty on Monday if you're getting a 15-minute candle closing above this, or if there is a gap up. If the 15-minute candle is bullish, you'll start planning your bullish trades on Monday in Bank Nifty. So this is Bank Nifty on the 5-minute time frame. We'll move on to daily time frame as well to plan our positional trades in Bank Nifty. So as our markets are very close to all-time high, so we can plan our positional trades as well. So we'll be looking at bullish trades in Bank Nifty above 39,580 levels. We can expect a green candle closing above that, and we can see some buying momentum in Bank Nifty as well. So this is Bank Nifty on intraday time frame and your daily time frame. So we'll move on to a couple of stocks which we can discuss and trade in the coming week. So Himadri Specialty Chemical is looking very good. It is coming out of a consolidation. All we have to do is expect a green candle closing above 108 levels in Himadri Specialty Chemicals Limited. So that is our entry zone, and our target on the short term is 125 levels. So we have a 14-point target and the 3-point stop loss. Our stop loss should be placed somewhere around 105 rupees for Himadri Specialty Chemicals. So this is how we are going to plan our trades for HSCL in the coming days. And we'll move on to the next stock as well, which is our Renuka Sugars. So even Renuka Sugars is coming out of a consolidation, so which is looking very good. It is in a good buying momentum as well as of now. So we'll be entering in Renuka Sugars above 64 rupees. If we get a green candle closing on a 30-minute to 4-hour time frame in the coming days, we can enter the stock. So our stop loss in this will be 60, around 60 levels will be our stop loss, and our target will be 72. So we have a 10-point target and a 2-point stop loss, which is 1:5 trade on Renuka Sugars. So this is it guys. Thank you.